Alright guys, booster pump install complete. I had to get some work done before I can finish this project, but here's where the boost hose is, where I have that little spacer so I didn't have to drill my blower manifold. The boost reading goes to this valve here, kicks on at 5 psi. That's how the booster pump reads it. That wire goes underneath the car, gets routed to the back, all the way here. There's the nice clean install from Kenny Bell there. There's my booster pump down here. I'm not sure where to mount it yet. Just kind of left it there for now. But you know, everything's pretty clean. But yeah, done. Took the car out for a drive. Everything seems to be driving well. No issues. No check engine lights. Plug and play. Pretty easy. The time-consuming part is routing that wire from the booster pump all the way to the front. Gotta make sure you tuck it all in. It's not near the exhaust. And once that's done, that's it. So stay tuned. Got an event, Matt's coming up. Hopefully can get a good time. Now I can put my injectors in there too, so I can run some E85. I'll keep you guys posted.